Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2621 Canandaigua Road in Macedon.
This is a picture-perfect country ranch with a resort-style backyard.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the convenience of one-floor living with a wonderful open floor plan. You're greeted with a charming foyer with a built-in bench, open to the designer kitchen with modern gray cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, and butcher block countertops with a breakfast bar, leading to the dining area and spacious living area with a skylight, gleaming hardwood floors, and sunroom access. The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, including a relaxing owner's bedroom with an adjacent updated full bathroom. The finished lower level provides great additional living space with a gym, an office, and a bedroom with an egress window.
The gem of this home is this expansive sunroom with skylights, tile floors, and a wall of windows with access to the resort-style backyard with an amazing pool. An extensive paver patio with a built-in fire pit, completed with beautiful landscaping and over a half an acre nestled in the countryside. What a fantastic way to enjoy summer! This maintenance-free exterior will help provide you many years of great country living. This property is nearby Fairport with easy access to all of Monroe County and Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2621 Canandaigua Road in Macedon.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!